Hello, this is Paul from RankWyz. In this video, I will show how you can use ContentMill to meet your content requirements to have a high quality content for your blog networks. I recently received a request to help set up content, and those are specific requirements. Should be relevant content, should include relevant images, should include links to authority sites, and you know that is extremely important, especially during the initial setup while you build an authority of your network. And overall, it's a good practice to continue linking out to the authority sites and on your niche. And the specific requirements that links should be coming out of images, not injected in the article. So I will use it as an opportunity to show how you do it step by step, but this is not the only way, and there are many applications, so you should be creative while thinking and planning your content. So step by step, so we need to create a content bucket with the content where these are relevant content, images, and links out to the authority sites. So we'll start with the link profile. On the left side, link profiles. I will use random niche, so I will just use yoga. So of course it could be applied to any other niche in the same way. So I created a new link profile, and before I'll change it, I'll just yoga. I'll give it a name. This section, as you know, this is anchors, and below section are URLs. So you can click preview, and you'll see that by default there is one keyword, and there is one URL, Google. So when you click preview, roll over, you can see on the status bar that all links are to google.com. So our requirements is to have authority links, and I scroll down to URL section and enable authority URLs. Slight percentage of using to 100%, so it will be 100% authority links, and then you need to select authority source. So there are multiple preset categories, and those are, as it says, faster because they prefetched. Or if you can't find anything suitable, so you can click on custom and use keywords comma separated. So you don't need to go wild of just adding like hundreds of keywords. System select random few until it meets requirements of the number of links. So like 2, 3, 5 would be good number of keywords to select to pull the authority URLs. So there's yoga, and I'll save it and go back, and let's click preview. So if you look at if you see the status bar, you can see that keywords is still keyword because I didn't change it, but links are to the authority sites in the yoga niche. Well, so we grab authority from Google News and Bing News. So if site is good or an article is good enough to be pulled in the news feed of the search engine, so definitely an authority article. So we're going to be using it from images, so there's no need to change keywords. But if just to briefly show what you can do, you can obviously do anchors. This is the simplest example. So you do primary keywords. You can see yoga classes, yoga. You can, since we pull in URLs, you can enable that will be more natural page titles. 100% page titles. Or you can mix it with naked links. So we have authority URLs and 50-50 mix between page titles and naked links. You can see the links, naked links or titles. So this look good, and I'm gonna save it. As I said, so we don't need anchors. This is for demonstration only. Now when we have a link profile, we will create a content bucket. On the left side, I'll select ContentMill and click New Bucket. Give it any name that will help you later on figure out what this bucket is for. So I'll say yoga, from images, and I select the type mixed content. This is most advanced, most flexible configuration that allows you to set up a lot of options to specifically tailor to your requirements. Click Save. So a bucket is created. So I'll start with topics. And again, for the sake of this video, I will use very simple one topic setup, and it will be yoga. Topic is created. And now I'll configure a template. So expand content blocks, and we'll be adding blocks. First, image as per requirement. Then we need content. So I will use news. And I will use syndicated. Even for the simple setup, this is extremely helpful template that indexes well and ranks well, specifically because it has media and it has news section, and I can't emphasize it enough how important it is to add timely content in your content you create, pieces of content in the content you create. It's this is how internet works. When there's something trending, there's a lot of reposting of this and the haul and the fragments, and this is what we do when we embed news snippets, news blocks in the content. And syndicated is great because it gives good relevant content, so it always made up to create good length article. So syndicated, everything default, 8 to 10 sentences, news default, image. First, I will upload it to the shared image hosting. And second, I will enable links. This is exactly how you implement links from images. I will leave it 100%. Of course, you can use less percentage. Let's say if you do 50%, it will be every second image will be linked roughly. Every second image will be linked to the authority site, and I will select link profile. Yoga authority links. That's all. So we have a template image with the enabled links using authority links, and we have news and syndicated content. Save. So topic is ready, content is ready, template is ready. So I'll go to overview and activate the bucket. Oh, here it is. So we have 5 articles. Yoga title, yoga image, and you can see when I roll over, this is a link to authority site right from the image. So news for news section, I left attribution link. So this is attribution link. So you have option to disable it if you don't need it, and everything looks good and ready to be used. So This is an example how you can create a content for the specific requirements when you need to have authority links linked from images in the article. Thank you for watching.